If you've been editing your photos for a while, Imagen can actually use those edited photos to train and create a personal AI profile that mimics your editing style. So this is what a personal AI profile is, and we're gonna go through the process of how to build it in this video. You need at least 2,000 edited photos, so let's go through it right now. So now we're in the app and we're gonna go to the home page. You can see Add a Profile. I'm gonna select that and select the Personal AI Profile option. There we go. And just remember to include photos taken in a variety of environment and lighting conditions. So the more varied your photos, the more accurate your profile can be. And also important to note that the photos need to show a consistent editing style. And this will allow Imagen to analyze and learn your editing style correctly. You can create a profile for either RAW or JPEG or TIFF photos. So let's just keep with RAW for now. You can select color or black and white depending on your editing style and what you're gonna use this profile for. I'm gonna select color and I'm gonna write a name. I'm gonna use this for weddings that are in the beach. I'm gonna select wedding. And here you need to upload your edited photos. There are two ways of doing that. The first one, and my preferred way, is the Lightroom catalog. So here Imagen has access to a different set of my catalogs in my computer and hard drive here. So I'm gonna select this one, and Imagen is opening my entire catalog to train my profile. So this might take a while, but as you can see here, Imagen is showing me, oh, you have more than 2,000 edited photos. So you just need to make sure that this green line is complete to build an AI profile. So I'm gonna select everything. And I'm gonna select upload and train. So don't worry, if you have more than one catalog that has edited photos that you want to add into your AI profile, you can just select upload and choose next catalog and select a different catalog and so on. So now on this screen, Imagen is telling you that it's training your AI profile, and in 24 hours, you will receive an email with the notification that your profile is ready for use. If you're not working with Lightroom Classic, you can also upload your edited photos from a folder. Here you need the RAW file plus the XMP file that contains the editing information. So just make sure to put them here. You can either browse your computer for those files or you can drag and drop them. So if you're editing through Camera Raw or Lightroom CC, not Lightroom Classic, that means that your editing is contained in the form of an XMP file. So the best thing for you is to build an AI profile from the folder that contains the photos plus the editing info in the XMP file. So I'm gonna show you in the app right now how to do that. I already selected the AI profile that I wanna build. I put a name on it. So now I'm gonna just drag and drop the photos for training. I'm gonna grab this folder here that has RAW files plus XMP files, and Imagen is just validating the files as we speak, and I'm gonna just select upload and train. And now the profile is being trained and I will receive a notification once it is ready for editing. So your AI profile will train in the background, and for those people that are not yet ready for building a personal AI profile, I'm going to show you the route for the talent AI profiles in the light AI profiles in the next video. So see you then.